everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube or in the Discord chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have... who do we have? KG Dana. Can everybody hear me? Wait, are we here? Are we? Yeah, we're live, right? Hello? Hello? Ah, is this thing on? What's up? We have Double RC. We got Blissfully Dissatisfied, Blake, Valentine, Vadim, SW, Amateur Genius, Boudreaux, Shelly. Good morning, Black Lung, Spazdrick, Andrew, Kevmo, Randy. What's up, Mike? Good morning, everybody. Morning Stand Up Archives. Coach Hoop in the building. What's up, Coach Hoop? What's up, buddy? I be trading Kelvin Fran, Black Lung. Good morning. Ooh, I know what we're missing. Hold on. Hold on one second. Hold on. Oh, where's the thing that I'm looking for? There we go. I want to get to the trading part of the stream. Hold on. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Bingo. All right, so does anybody know why that move just happened? I caught like a little taste of it. Barely anything. I missed the move down and the move up. This happens when you miss out on sleep. Mark's coming straight back down now too. We're right at these 300s. A Tesla sank in the Panama come out. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. Literally nobody knows, huh? Did I make a trade yet? Yeah, right there. Am I the only one who can't hear him? Oh yeah, so at least somebody can hear me. Yep, it was Waller. It was prepared remarks, that's why. He's not speaking live, he had prepared remarks, so. That's what did it this morning. He had prepared remarks. So, let me give you the cliff notes of those. Inflation downtrend likely to support more cuts if the outlook is going as expected. That was the latest from the man, Chris Waller. Charts aren't moving. Yeah, there you go. Boop. There you go. And we are kind of weak below 300s here. Boy, that would have been nice to short that rate from VWAP. Hold on, make sure this is not copyrighted music again. I always got to worry about that now. Okay, we're good. Trade I took was literally, I was supposed to be live, like on this candle. It was in between, yeah, right here. This candle, yeah, this one. Long, close it. That was it. Was that an hour and a half ago? No, it was right at 5. Right at 8. Right at 8. Literally, this candle is the Waller candle right here. From right here to right there. Market going down was just continuation from yesterday. It was not going above that volume shelf area. Just went straight down. That was it. So we do have news today. If you didn't know, the market is closed tomorrow because of Remembrance Day or whatever they call it, Memorial Day, the thing. So in about 4 minutes and 30 seconds, we do have NFP Junior coming out. Get the real NFP on Friday when we're going to be back trading together. But we get NFP Junior in about 4 minutes here. Market's very thin, very difficult to trade. So please be careful out there. How's SW been doing in the London sessions? Good question, Otter. SW, how have you been doing in the London sessions? Been crushing lately? He says, okay. I'm assuming that means good. Not really much. So overall, I think he's been doing well. Let me see one thing here while we're waiting for this. So NFP Junior coming out here in 3.5 minutes. And then we have the jobless claims coming out today, because I know you say, well, Rips, it's Thursday or Wednesday. Jobless claims are Thursday. Yeah, the market's closed tomorrow. The schedule got changed. We get jobless claims at 8:30 today. Right at the bottom of the hour. Jarn says, hey, Rips, ended up with a realized profit of $3,500 on a 50K combine. I remember you mentioned a trick to lower your profit to keep it in the track and consistency rule. Can you please elaborate? Flip contracts. Buy one, sell one. Set alerts on Trading View if you want to be alerted. Yeah, NFP Junior coming in 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. NFP Junior. Coming, somebody help out Ramon with the stream. Something with your audio output settings in Discord, I'm assuming. All right, let's see what happens with the NFP here. NFP Junior. This is not the big one that's going to be happening on Friday, so there should be a slight impact to the market. Not a crazy impact, but a slight impact to the markets here. It's going to be very thin, though. It's gross. Gross, thin market. Not ideal for trading, but whatever. One more minute. Thanks, Raj. Thanks for being here. $139,000 is the consensus on these ADP numbers. Let's see how this shakes out here. Be prepared for some fake outs. 40 seconds. Incorrect. All right, here we go. 15 seconds. Wow. This book is so light. Below consensus. This looks almost impossible to trade, though. Oh, the book is so thin. Finally, there you go. You're adding orders in the book. Good. No change to the November data. Healthcare created more jobs than any other sector. Interesting. That was a pretty soft reaction. About 40 handles straight up. I wonder if they can actually hold any of these pushes. The market is so thin right now. Jeez. If Nvidia bottomed out here, we could see Nvidia going for 10 points today in its ticker, which would definitely influence the price action of the S&P and the NASDAQ. Looking for a 40 breakout right now. Was everybody here this morning when we were talking about the that Apex lawsuit yesterday, by the way? Was everybody here yesterday morning when we were talking about that Apex lawsuit? What a shock. I wonder who was right about Richard Harris versus Ribs. When Richard Harris was like, nah, their former partner. Wonder why he's not here today. That's funny. Exactly what I was saying was that somebody filed a ridiculous, frivolous lawsuit against them. They put out a notice saying, yeah, this is a bunch of crap. Yeah, it's exactly what I said, and the complete opposite of what Dingus Harris said. Shocker, I know. Crazy shock. All right, markets are coming back down here. Let's see if we test 300s. Yeah, I mean they're always gonna respond. They have to respond. People who win are the lawyers in that case. Market closure tomorrow is just so stupid. I mean, it would be better if it was on Friday, but I mean, it's part of the world here. When a president dies, that's what happens. They're not going to change that, so. That's how it works. I just wish it was on a Friday, not a Thursday. And they moved all of the news from, like, we're going to have jobless claims in about 12 minutes here, 11 minutes. So, market is just tempting me to take these trades. It's kind of annoying. We have these interesting little range snaps right now. It's just wild how much Apex pulls down net per month. Is anybody actually surprised by these numbers? Like, I was reading, like, people were like, oh, shocked by these numbers. But, like, really? Are people actually shocked by these numbers? That's like why... Like, are people actually shocked by these numbers? Like, what do you think these companies are making? Like $12 a day? I was actually thought they were quite low, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe a lot of traders are not like familiar with, like, I don't know. It seemed pretty low to me. Like, I thought for sure it'd be closer to like 50. Like 13 mil. Yeah. Whatever. Yeah, a lot of hassle with 13 million a month. That's my school of thought. Like 13 million. People are like, oh my gosh, $13 million. Like, dude. Yeah, exactly. Super low. That's it. I thought it'd be like 50 to 100. Only 13? People are like, oh my gosh, can you believe how much money that is? Like, dude, what planet are you on? All right, I'm pushing up to 340 here. Imagine if they didn't have those crazy rules, it would be much less. You know who doesn't have those crazy rules? Brokerage accounts. Want to not have rules, go trade your own brokerage. You'll flush out every single dollar. Why is Apex getting sued? Because some idiot's trying to ambulance chase. Straight up. Some morons trying to sue people that are, in my opinion, doing nothing wrong. Ambulance chasers. See money, take money. There's no shortage of morons in this world. That's how. That's why. This is American land of let's sue one as much as we can. There's no art. It's not even, it's a nothing burger. The only reason I brought it up was because King Dingus brought it up yesterday. So I felt like addressing it and dunking on them this morning. I will yell for the baby G-lines, don't worry. All right, we do have, what, in 7 minutes, 7.5 minutes, we do have jobless claims coming out. Let's get these likes up if we want to stick around for the open. Probably not going to stream tomorrow. Anybody have any wild guesses on how many hours of sleep I've had in the last 72 hours? What's the over-under right now? 72 hours, not 48. Let's see, what is that? Ooh, 5 hours and 14 minutes in the last 72 hours. Yummy, yummy. And what is it? Let me figure out something real quick. I played poker for 13 hours yesterday. Wow, it's a long time. Why are you bro to everyone? Dude, don't bro me if you don't know me, dog. All right, we are pushing up here. Oh, they're really starting to squeeze this thing. NVIDIA really looks like it wants to break above 142. They're starting to chase up this price. Every single time it starts to go, I just want to take this thing, but just worried they're just going to sweep it right back down. You got kids? No, I'm just a big kid myself. No kids. So I'm not losing any sleep. I mean, this is uncharacteristic for me, but when there's good games, gotta play. Wow, they're really starting to rip this thing higher. All right, we're gonna try along here. I gotta do it. They're breaking this thing out. See if we can continue to squeeze above 55 here. Don't rob me from all of that. Look at that. Top tick Tommy right now. How annoying. See if we can get back above these 70s. How do we do that? How do we actually do that? How do we actually find the fucking... Whoa. No sleep rips. What are you doing? Easy with the F-bombs there, buddy. Easy, easy. Jobless claims out in 5 minutes here. Can we just spool up a little bit and then I can add to this? We can go home happy. Come on. Do the thing I want you to do now. I said, I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it. We press the button. We get the top tick. I love it. Oh, it's just glorious. Trading is so fun. It's the best. It's the best. All right, come on. Get up and over 75 and I can add to this thing. We're so close to these jobless claims coming out too. All right, going flat. We're still in the profit. We're too close to the jobless claims coming out and this thing is just not going. That was magical though. The moment we clicked the button was the exact reversal on that pattern. So, what's up, Coach Jay? How you doing, buddy? What's up? What's up? Yep, 5 hours in the last 3 days. 5 hours of sleep. That was glorious though. That was so sick. Like, what was our fill? The top of the market was 77 halves. Our fill was 77 halves. Wow, we were the exact top tick of the market. I love doing that. There's nothing that roasts my chestnuts more than being the top tick of the market. Feels so good when you do it. Nothing better. Oh, look at, now we go. Fun, fun, fun. What's the difference between the FOMC and minutes? Meeting minutes versus the actual meeting. Meeting minutes are like the cliff notes, the recap. I wish we weren't so close to the stupid release, because then we'd be back in this market long. So we got to wait for the release now, and then we can play. I want to play. Oh, good Lord. We're friggin' 10 handles higher. Love it. Yeah, we're trading in our live account, so we actually did put it in the live top tick of the market. Some market makers literally laughing right now, like, then we got him out, and then we ran it higher. Got him. Good times. All right, NFP. No, wait, what is this that's coming out? Jobless claims. Jobless claims. So minutes they talk about what was talked about at the meeting. Yeah, it's like any corporate minutes. You have meeting minutes. Anybody who has a corporation knows about that. More Ribs, I was wondering if you have any words of encouragement for dealing with a downswing in poker. Bet more. Take a break. As with anything, take a break. When things are good, keep pushing the gas. When things are bad, take a break. Which platform do you stream? Market Clubhouse? Discord. Good old Discord. This stuff just makes me laugh sometimes. What journaling software do you use? Google Docs, baby. But use like what? 201,000 jobless claims. Wow, that is way lower than the expected number, but I don't know if I believe this yet. Yeah, this is gross. Nobody's in the order book yet. This is gross. I'm going to try this long now. See if we get the breakout. Thankfully, only one contract this time. So far. I'm looking for the breakout and the hold above 366. Pushing up against this silly little VWAP right now. All right, going flat. Bit of a range bound print. Thought we'd get that breakout above the 390 level. See if we get a second attempt at this. Feds Waller's still talking too. Interesting. All right, going back long. Oh, this is good stuff this morning. Can we get above 80? If we get above 80, then we can add to this. And then we'll look for that break of 90s and it should explode to the top side. But right now, yeah, there we go. There's your break of 80s. See if we get this blowout. Can we just get a nice, like, clean little push here? What do you say, market? There's your 142s in NVIDIA. They're up and over. Need to see this holding above the 90s for this to work. Right now, we're just getting rinsed. Liquidity's dying down here now too. Oh, let's see. Back above the 80s would be lovely. Doesn't look like it wants to do it. Yeah, we're flat. Waller's saying good things now too. Back at 366. Near term, not thinking there's going to be a huge impact due to tariffs. Wow, sellers are going violent now. Okay. Get below those 50s. Targeting 292 now. If this thing just goes straight back up, this is going to be quite annoying. Watching for a sweep below 40s. They absorbed how many orders here? About 500 contracts there into those 40s. Okay, adding to that. Momentum will pick up below 300. Adding one more. Adding one more. Why are they holding this above 20s? No idea. That should sweep right below 20. There you go. There you go. Get that follow through now. Without a stupid bounce, can you do it? Not with a stupid bounce. We said without a stupid bounce. Remember that part? If we get back below 20, we can add for the continuation all the way down to 292. 20 lot trying to get filled here above 20s. Can we sweep it? Man. Just like a little tiny taste of continuation would just be so freaking lovely in this market. All right, 20 handle bounce so far. 30 handle bounce. 40 handle bounce. What are we going for here? Watching for 40s to give out. What are we going to do? Return all the way up to 366 now? Looking like it. This market is gross. Watching for a sweep below 40s again. Okay, adding. Let's see if we can break back below 30s or not. Nope, not looking like it. Still just holding. We need to be back below those 40s for this to be confident. Boy, what a garbage print. It's drifting. If somebody sells below these 40s, it'll go. Right there. 40s is what we need to see snapping. Keep going. Continuation. Come on, one time through the 30s. One time. Oh, this market is so lovely. Just sell right there. Just freaking sell it. Jeez Louise. Sweet. Stopped out. If you hate this market, raise your hands. Yeah. Woohoo! Who hates this market? Me. Yes, this market is considered extremely low volume, and for some reason I'm trying to trade it on no sleep. I don't know what I'm doing, but good golly. Watch, we're gonna break these 15s now and it's gonna slam. It's gonna do exactly like, watch, it's gonna do the thing that we wanted to do, but it's gonna do the hesitation first. It just f***s us up, and yeah. Welcome to trading. Is it Friday yet? No, it's not going to do it yet. It's still got more people to screw over, I guess. This is nuts. God, I hate this market. It looked so freaking confident there at the break of 15s because we have an MC level at 292 that I thought we would have tagged. The problem is it's going to go there, but it's just got to do like, how big was this bounce? 318 all the way up to 354. Yeah. Normal. Yeah, it's kind of annoying, but whatever. Nvidia's kind of just shaking around too. So as far as news goes, I think that's it for the morning news. We have wholesale inventories at 10. It'll be at the top of the hour after New York Open. This market's still, oh boy, actually it's weird. There's a lot of people who are bidding this market down here, surprisingly. So maybe we're just gonna scream off the open. That was the first time I'm kind of looking at it like this. That is weird. I was about to pop in another short here, but now I'm second guessing. Why are there so many people bidding down here? Since basically 6:30 this morning, we've had a lot of people bidding this market. Why? The thing is if Nvidia breaks below 141, the market should roll. We're right now trading 141 halves in Nvidia. Google looks like it's primed to dump. Meta looks like it's had some fiber ready to go. Tesla looks like it could go. I don't know, it's weird. The FOMC has just released the last meeting's decision, or is it new info? It's not new info. It's going to be everything everybody knows. I really doubt they're going to uncover any new information in these meeting minutes, because there's no dissenters, right? It was unanimous, so nobody really cares. It's going to be a nothing burger. I know everybody sees FOMC on their calendars and they get all bricked up, you know? You know what I'm saying? You look on your events calendar and you see the four, dude, I'm so tired. You see the four letters FOMC. And the first thing you're thinking is like, boy, I am bricked up on this. It's nothing. Where can you find the MC levels at? If you just Google Market Clubhouse Morning Memo, it'll pop up. Dump and pump it open. Dude, there's way too many people. Let me see. I'm going to go back further here. As bad as I want to see this thing as a short, this is now looking pretty longish. It's weird, huh? Call your mates and go home and teach them what continuation is. I would love to. I can't believe that we were up $800 this morning. We gave it back. So annoying. Whatever. FOMC equals 4R Market Clubhouse. That's funny. 21,140 weekly kickoff low. 21,650 weekly kickoff high. I don't know if we're going to get down to 140. That's a tall order. Especially since we rejected so hard at the MC level 219. Spartan Nick says, Rips, I just want you to know that you are the only YouTuber I actually like videos on consistently. I hope you grow more and need more people like you. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. It's nice. I mean, I'm always going to keep it real with you folks, even if I have no sleep. Keep it raw and unfiltered. WWE style. Monday Night Raw. Are we going to break this level or not? Because if we do, I really want to see what happens at 292, because then we could start our long program here. Rips, I'm thinking about doing my first options trade with a little bit of my payout advice. No, don't do it. Please stop. You're going to get you're going to get owned doing options. You really are. And even if you do well, you're going to get all excited about it, and then you'll blow that account. Can you explain orders? Can you explain filled orders within time and sales that are in the foreground versus the background? What do you mean? I don't get it. In the foreground versus the background? Option and trade. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what you're saying. Future reverse pass? I don't get it. Help me understand a little bit better. No, it's somebody in Discord. They're not trolling. They've been around for a long time. I really want to help them, but I don't. Explain filled orders within time and sales that are in the foreground versus the background. Send me a screenshot. I don't know what you mean. Never. I have no idea. I've never seen that before. Oh snap! Are we doing the long program now? I still don't trust this. We're still too tight in the range, I think. Hard for me to trust this crap. This range sucks. Casey Castro says, options are not scary if you sell to your next immediate level, like say SPY up or down $2. Futures are more ripe for blowing due to props, just letting you trade infinite money like unlike options. Or you have cash account and can only trade what's in your P&L, so you go for that options. I mean, dude, I've seen hundreds of people destroy themselves financially doing options. I haven't really seen anybody destroy themselves financially using props. Unless you're like a crazy person. I don't know. I've never personally seen anybody destroy themselves. I've seen people ruin themselves financially trading options. Like actually ruin themselves. Market makers watching the stream. Same thing happens in the prop space, but slower. I mean, dude, if I give you an account with $50,000 in it, I say go trade SPX 0 DTs. Or if you give me a challenge, what could I blow $50,000 in quicker? Props on Top Step or an options account. I could do it in the options account in less than a minute. Filthy trades, $45,000 loss in my first year of options, yeah. And then you're gonna get the people who are like, dude, just sell contracts. It's easy money. It's funny, there's like a Twitter account that was like during COVID talking about selling options, selling premium. And then they got like destroyed, obviously. Options amplify your losses big time. Iron Condors took 40,000 from me. Yeah, it's the tease is like this strategy can never lose. It's got like it's like a 0.01% chance that it will ever blow up, and then you trade it, and it's like, oh shoot, sorry about that. That was the 1% chance that it wasn't gonna work, and it was you. We picked you. Jay Sim says Anne-Marie said on Top Step TV she lost $1 million in her first year trading options. There you go. That's the reality. And here's the other reality. You make $100,000 in your first week or whatever, you make $100,000 in some period of time trading options, and then you get some confidence, and then gone. Casey Casual says, if I had 50K, I'd trade 1% of it getting SPY 1 days at the money or $1 to $2. Like, dude, this is your strategy. You're not everybody else. What can you say to break, get over euphoria market paralysis? Time and experience in the market. Wish if there are prop firms allowing 0 DTE options. I mean, even if they did, they would never allow you to have max gains on it. They would cap your contract gains. You know what I'm saying? Like they would cap it. So it's like, because on like a 0 DT in the SPY or in the SPX, you could make 50,000% on a contract, if not more. Like you can do insane things. Like you could turn $1,000 into $1 million in the SPX. Not easily, but it's doable. But if there's a prop firm for that, they would cap it. They would be like, no, we're not gonna give you max value on these things. I use TradingView. TradingView is the charting software I use to look at all of the other Mag 7 here. Gaston says, I'm getting broke buying reset and activating Top Step account. Use the practice account. Stop doing the real accounts. Go back, use the practice account. It's free to use. Use that and prove that you can actually be consistent making money in the practice account. It's the same buttons that you're going to be clicking in the real account. So get it right in the practice account. Once you do that, then go to the Combine account. Stop trying to rush it. If trading was easy, everybody'd be a freaking trillionaire, right? Trading's not easy. It's never going to be easy. Look at me. I'm a moron. I can barely trade. Most days I can't. I'm a fucking moron. It's not easy. It will never be easy. It's always going to be difficult. I love the thing where people are like shocked and they're like, I can't figure out trading yet. How long have you been trading? 9 months. Ooh. Well, do you think that you're going to get this in 9 months, did you? Dan Burr says, don't trade a real account until you become profitable on a demo account. Why would you trade real money if you can't make money on a demo? And that also is the crux of like what makes trading so difficult is most people are not very patient. Most people are very impatient and they see other people doing crazy things. They're like, I can click buttons. Let me click buttons just like this person did and I'll make $1 million. Doesn't work like that. People are like, well, if I traded on my practice account and I did really, really well, then I'm wasting my good trades on my practice account. No, you're not. Market's not going anywhere. I loved it too when people are like during COVID and they're like, hey, do you think this market's ever going to come back? I'm like, what? What are you talking about? What market is leaving? Last time I checked, there's volatility at least once every single day at some period in the market, in some instrument. Demo account's still way different than a live account. I promise you, if you trade one contract in a demo account successfully, you can trade one contract in a live account successfully as well. I promise you. Ask me how I know. On demo account, you make money since no emotions, as we don't care if we lose, but this is not the case in real com. Hence, it's difficult in real account. I disagree. If you can consistently trade one contract in your practice account, one contract at a time, not 15, not 5, not 10, not resetting your practice account and pretending that you didn't. Trade one contract for 1 month and be profitable. You will be able to carry that same skill over into a Combine account and get that thing passed and go to an XFA. Because guess what? Practice account is the same fills as the Combine account, is the same fills as the XFA account. It's all simulated. I use my paper trading account in TradingView. It's great because you can hold overnight. Since August of last year, I've taken 100K balance to 1.4 million. There you go. Nice. Emotions are not the same. I mean, if you set yourself up to say, I can't reset my practice account for the entire month, you're going to have the exact same emotions that you're going to have on your Combine. Chuck says, most pro athletes spend more time practicing than playing live games. Like, here's the thing. Here's the thing that I think most people are going to be doing. Like, if you give somebody the challenge to say, hey, on your practice account in a month, have consistent profitability. What they're going to do is they're going to have one good day. They're going to feel good. They're going to go to the next day, feel good. And then go into that third day, blow the account, and then reset it and be like, okay, well, I wasn't really trying. Reset the practice account. All right, now I'm trying. They go into it. Instead of trading one lot, now they start trading 3 lots at a time. They make $15,000 trading the 3 contracts. And they're like, oh, look at this. And they trade it again, the practice account. 2 days later, they blow the practice account. They reset it again. This one doesn't count. This one doesn't count. Right? That's what people are doing. And they're like, I can make so much money on my practice account because they point out the one day that they started trading 5 contracts at a time. They made $15,000. Look. How come I can't do that on my funded account? Oh, let's just forget about all the other days in your practice account that you're resetting and let's just forget about that. Like, that's the reality. Come on. Can't fool me. I trade. I lie to myself all the time. Come on. I've been trading for almost 11 years, if not 11 years now. I went through all of these stages. Come on. I know all of the self-lies that we did. Honey, how'd you do in the market today? Great. It was great. We made a lot of money. No, you can't see the broker statement. Don't worry about it. Stop. Let's talk about something else. What's for dinner? Trading's been going really well for you, hasn't it? Uh-huh. Yeah. Can I see your account? No, it's broken right now. I can't get into it. My wife thought I was the best trader in the world for the first 2-3 years I was trading. Little did she know. We tend to forget about those things, don't we? Psycho says, I've lost close to 7 figures over the last 2 years. That sounds like market tuition to me. I'm just being real, dude. Like, this is the reality of most traders out there. Do you know why? Because 90% of people are failing out there. 10% figured it out. You think that I don't know? You think that I don't know? Come on. I know. I was there. Like, dude, I just started the account, or I started the day up $800. We're down 17 bucks now. You were there for it. You saw me blow $800. That wasn't fun. How much tuition did I pay? A lot. More than MP. MP is like, I lost 3 30K accounts. I'm like, in what, your first week, right? Christopher says, what you're saying is very true. I've been doing this for a year now, and I finally see this the same way. Yeah, I mean, you just got to be real with yourself. Stop being so hard on yourself, too. Like, people get so upset when they have like a string of winning days and then they have a losing day. And sometimes, like, I get DMs all the time from people who have like an XFA account. They spin it up to like 15K day 4. Day 5 comes around, they blow the account because they're not trading with a daily loss limit. I'm going to go long here, by the way. I'll put a stop under VWAP. Trading 1 contract for now. I'm targeting a breakout because we broke above 366. If we're holding above these 60s here, then we can actually add into this. So far, we are not top tick Tommy, but we're pretty close. If we can actually break above and hold these 60s, a refresh down to 60 would be lovely too, by the way. Markets are opening in about 30 minutes. I'll talk to you in a quick second here about the XFA traders that I see all the time in my DMs here. Can we get this breakout above 70? Watching. There we go. There's that breakout above 75. See if they want to feather this up a little bit more. If they do, I can add to this with confidence. Okay, adding. Why didn't I see my order hit the tape there? That was weird. That was strange. I didn't see my orders actually hitting the tape there. That was weird. All right, above these 80s, and then we start to scream. Okay, 9 a.m. should bring us a nice little press of liquidity here. Watching. 5 seconds. There we go. Beautiful. Pushing above those 85s. We have liquidity all the way up to 400 here. Dang it. We're not going to grab that at 400? Wow, now we have algorithms fighting each other. Not ideal to be. We only have 4 contracts, so that's okay. Dude, big seller though. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's tough when you're caught like in an algorithmic battle here. We have liquidity all the way up at 400. I just don't know if they're going to sweep that. They might take it all the way down to 66 here. Dang. Let's see. Yeah, that was weird. They have a whole mess of liquidity up there at 400 that I thought for sure they're going to take in a hot second there, but we had a big seller stepping in right at above 85. So kind of annoying, but welcome to trading. Okay, they're gone. They just left. Let's see if they let it relax all the way up to those 400s now. In fact, I can just do this. That's fine with me. Come and get it. Come and get it. Pop above 85. That actually might be a little bit more violent there than I think. They're feathering out at 80s, which I don't like. See this explode above 85 here. Pop, pop, pop. Just one little quick pop through 85. They keep on moving the offer up and nobody wants to take it, so that's a little bit concerning. Now they're bringing bids down. Well, there was a lot of market makers that were starting to push this up and then kind of lost a little bit of that steam. We're rinsing right now back down to like 60s. Why is that in there? Hold on. If we can hold these 60s, I might add to this. Ah, these sellers, dude. So frustrating. If we reclaim 70s, which it doesn't look like we will, I have to put this back down now. Oh, we just did. The moment I'm moving that stop loss, that's where I would have wanted to add to. Take us over 70s now. Watching. They're fighting at these 70s and nobody's pushing it over. So not a good sign for us. Flattening that out. They're hesitating way too much at these 70s. We didn't get that breakout straight to 400 that we're looking for. A lot of tricks this morning. It's really annoying. All right, watching if we hold 60s. Might have to just wait for the open. 25 minutes. That was super annoying because it's like, that's just an easy breakout area above 85. Quick snap to 400. Easy, easy breakout. And sellers are just active now. It's crazy how just trappy this tape has been this morning. I was fairly confident in that refresh back down to 70 that we were going to take that all the way back up to 400. It's just like, we got in, it pulled back, added, started to go, and then immediately sharply just negated the whole trade. Violent market. All right, we're back below 66 here. Right into the VWAP. Nvidia's pumping. S&Ps are coming back down. We have room, 3 more handles down. Let's see if we can get below these 50s now. I guess that would be the level to watch, right? They're starting to absorb it right into these 50s. Pop right back up. I'm gonna wait for the open. This is too violent. Like, these pops are just way too violent. It's like they're moving at 10 handles at a time here. Just seems wildly unpredictable. We've wicked twice in the daily open. I should have just taken it long when I was looking at the tape, and I was like, this looks like longs. Should have just taken it long from there. See if we reject 60 for like the umpteenth time here. Hesitation's killing me this morning. Nvidia's rolling back down. Big bidders again showing up. If you are enjoying the stream, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the stream. We're going for 30,000 subs here on YouTube. Interesting, bouncing like that. 10 handles. Well, 15. I think we just have to wait for the open, unfortunately. Kind of annoying. I'm surprised we didn't nail that scalp down on the break of 50s. I should have got that. That's uncharacteristic of me. All right, see if we hold these 55s, reclaim of 60. Nothing happening in the Mag 7 right now either. I think we're probably just best to wait. Tell you what, if we get to 500 likes, we'll do a poll. And if we get to 1,200 likes, which is just about half of you in here right now, we'll do a stream off the open. And I don't think I'm gonna be live here tomorrow, so if you want to trade together, this is gonna be the only day until Friday. I want to hang out. What do we got? We are at 661, so we'll do a poll. Well, the NQ end of the day, frame broken or below 21,350 below. All right, there you go. There's the poll. Go ahead and vote. Dude, bids are showing up again. What is going on with this freaking tape? Thought for sure below 60 is going to be weak, but bids are showing up again. Why didn't we just take the liquidity at 400? Like, golly. It would have been so easy. What are we gonna do? Sweep the open, go from 350 down to 280? Jeez. Only 14% said go live tomorrow, so I don't think we're gonna go live tomorrow. I don't know, maybe we do for like a little short amount of time, because I could trade my live account until 9 o'clock tomorrow. Maybe we do it, I don't know. You know what, it's gonna be garbage liquidity, dude. I don't know. It's up to you folks. I'll do it if you really want me to. You know. Market is open until 9:15 tomorrow, so futures are at least. Futures trade until 9:15. But I could trade my live account till 9. Oh, open up already, market. Come on. Jeez. Just give us the frickin' juice. By the way, I talked to the risk management team. They are not going to allow me more than 3,000 right now, which is fine for my daily loss limit. Yeah, I should get some sleep. I just want to, like, dude, I just want to nail this market, dude. I just want to nail this. I don't know how we missed that whole extension from the north, but man, so annoying. We have to wait 20 minutes now until the market opens. Or do we wait? Hold on. Or do we? Just chopping like crap right now. Yeah, I think we have to wait. This is annoying. I don't know if I'll be here tomorrow, Billy Joe. That's what's of question right now. I just have a feeling like even if we got long right here, I could see this, like, let's just say that we ride this thing all the way up to 80s. I could see like 920 rolling around, some algorithms turn on and they bash it from 80s right down to 40s. Like, I could see that happening. What do I think about FOMC today? It's the FOMC meeting minutes. It's nothing. There's no FOMC meeting today. It's the meeting minutes. Drawdown a 150K live account. They don't have, they're like, live accounts are not 150K, 50K. It's not like that. Your live account is your live account. Your drawdown is whatever the risk team gives you. Nice, Patrick. How much is that? You made like 30 grand today? Nice work. You say orders, especially bidders, show up out of nowhere. Isn't someone building their position? Yes. But it's not congruent with the... I hate this price action. Not congruent with what I've been seeing is the only thing. Come on! Just take the trade. God, I hate when it does this. Timing is everything in this market too. It's just so frustrating. Like every single time that I'm about to take a trade, we're like in between a rock and a hard place because there's going to be news coming out or the stream starting or blah, blah, blah. And not tilted, just frustrated. Tilted, I would be blown out by now. Why is live better than XFA? Because you have access to the risk management team and you can control the account in same way that you could have a brokerage account, but you didn't have to deposit the money for it. Explosion in central London. Oh my, that's not good. By the way, anybody in California? Could that explosion actually bring the market down? You see what I was saying though? That sweep, what was that? From 67, now down to 47. 20 handle sweep right back down, ruining everybody's day who got long. How's everybody doing out in California with the fires? Anybody in Southern California? Are you in central London, Julius? Yeah, I don't know. That was the squawk I just heard. Oh, we might break VWAP here in the S&Ps. I just have to wait for the market open. Power's out due to the high winds in Cali. Dang, sorry. I saw a lot of videos on Twitter about it. There's a lot of people that are looking to short this market now, which is weird because we saw bidders just a moment ago. Weird, right? I wonder if we can actually break down below that 320 level. Nvidia's right at the VWAP too. Tickling that 141 level. S&P's at the VWAP, tickling that level. So this is the area that we bottomed out about 30 minutes ago? No, 15 minutes ago-ish. What is the dead due down of live tops about? It's all based on your trading history. It's set by the risk management team. It's whatever they set it to. And they can modify it. Like Brett said, he'll go to 5K on Friday if I want. And I said, nah, just whatever, dude. Just leave it. Mine's at 3K. Living in London, I've checked no news about any explosion. Okay, well then what the heck was that? What are they saying? I don't know. No idea. No clue. Bomb threat. Okay, bomb threat. Oh, okay, see, I'm not crazy. Controlled explosion in central London. Jeez, come on, people. Everyone makes me feel like I'm a crazy person. No, they didn't. They carried out a controlled explosion. Okay. All right, I'm not an idiot. Well, I am, but you know what I mean. All right, let's see what happens off this market open, shall we? $1,200 likes. We'll stick around. We'll trade the open. 1,200 likes. And we are 13 minutes, 12 minutes from the open. Right now we need 398 more likes. We'll do it. Yellow Twin says, I like the music, but along with the PA, I'm falling asleep. Yeah. I mean, the PA was okay. It's just been so tricky and trappy. It's been super freaking annoying. Had a lot of opportunities, but we just not been capitalizing on them super well, unfortunately. Kind of annoying. Like, I want to go short now. I want to go short because we're about to have a potential breakdown of this area. I'd love to go short here, but see, would have got blasted. Can't do it. I don't understand why their best traders is at 3K drawdown when you've shown consistency. He said he'd bump it on Friday to 5K, and I was like, dude, just forget about it. I mean, I don't really. It is what it is. You only trade NQ, you trade ES. I mainly focus on the NQ. We have ES traders in MC, though. Like, SW is a very good ES trader. He only focuses on ES. I use all of the squawks. So if there's a free trial for a squawk, try it and see if you like it. Most people will not like it. I'd say less than 3% of people who try squawks end up using them. Most people hate them. I've never visited Africa. It's definitely on my list. How many more likes? 300? We already down that many? We need, yep, 300 exactly. 300 more likes. And we have 11 minutes, 10 minutes. All right, let's see what happens in 15 seconds here. There's going to be some algorithms that turn on. Probably going to short the pants off this market. Did you ever download social? No, I didn't. No. No algorithms turned on, so I guess they're waiting for the 925. All right, this market cannot open soon enough. definitely want to. I would love if we have like a nice congruent move. That'd be so nice. So nice. You can tell when the algos turn on because you can see it in the order book. Hard to miss them. Can't really hide. They have to, they're market makers, so they are essentially making the market. So they're revealing themselves by placing themselves in the order book. You will see the size increase in the order book. Oh, by the way, we did hit 10,000 subscribers or followers on Instagram, which is insane. If you're not following me on Instagram already, it'll pop up right here. I got a blue check mark on there. That's how you know it's me. Don't fall for any scams out there. There's a lot of idiots. There it is. Selling rips. Instagram and Twitter. Bingo. But yeah, we are at 10,000 followers now. Let's get to 10.1. I don't know how many followers I have exactly now. It just is lazy and says 10K. But we're getting like, we have a lot of people that, it's crazy actually how many views we get now on the shorts. It's crazy. Look at this. We get this nice push down from 45 all the way to 30 and then a quick 5-point just blast off from down there. You say bookmap is essential for momentum trading. No, you can do without it, but it's definitely helpful. It was a suspicious car in London. That's spooky. Oh man, look at this going lower. Nvidia looks like it's wanting to roll. S&Ps are now through the VWAP. Do. Super risky with it being so close to the open. Music sounds like lo-fi coffee YouTube. I know, right? It's crazy. Orange line is VWAP. That's what you see on your screen there. Above me, bookmap, tops up X. And then if you want, this is trading view. Bookmap, tops up X. We got all flavors of ice cream there. Bottom today, but muted rally until Globex special. Wow, RTH closed tomorrow. They will lick retail out of it. It's the way of things. Maybe, we'll see. I like that you share your predictions. Thank you. It's helpful. Can you short the market? I could, but I'm gonna wait for the open, which by the way is 7 minutes and we are 230 likes away from being able to stream the open. If you folks wait until the last minute, like you've seen what happens. We just cut the stream. I mean, I want to hang. I got to get out of here though in 4 minutes if we don't hit it. Nice work there, JQ. Well done. Dude, this market is just so gross. Oh, it's so nasty. I'm going to try to keep my contract sizing small so I can withstand. I should be able to do this with like 2 to 4 contracts. I should be able to navigate this open well. We'll see though. If we can't, we can. If it dies, it dies. How many people are even watching? 2,000. 2,000. $2,000. Dude, look at how this market is so dirty right now. I feel bad for anybody who's actually trading. I would be so angry right now if I was trading this. 135 more likes to go, everybody. And we got 2 minutes to do it. 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Time frame of my trading? Well, I got my 5-minute chart over here. Let's see, my main squeeze. And then I got bookmap, which is a varied time frame. Right now I have about an hour of exposure in bookmap. And then I'm using the 1 minute in my tops up X, but that's just so we can see all the executions and everything. What happens after the likes? We stick around and we trade. Oh, there's your 925 injection of liquidity. There they go. Big injection of liquidity there. How high do they want to take? Oh man, they are destroying people who are short. Holy. Yeah, we just need 1,200 likes. We're so close. We are at 83 more to go, and I have 90 seconds. 90 seconds. You're short? Good luck to you, Julius. 76 likes to go. We have 1 minute, 20 seconds. For some reason, you folks love to bring it down to the wire. I don't know. Less than a minute now. Less than 1 minute here. 23, 24 more likes to go. Oh my goodness. 20 likes to go. 45 seconds. So close. 2 more likes with 30 seconds to go. Yeah, we did it. Yay. Folks love to make it right down to the wire. All right. Well, let's stream the open together. We did it. Thank goodness. For some reason, you folks like love to make it so dramatic. I don't get it. It's like got it with 20 seconds to go. Pushing it to the edge. You folks are nuts. Got some crazies in here. All right, let's crush this open together. Let's do this, everybody. Let's make this happen. We got this. We can do this. I believe. Which, what do we want to listen to here? This one. This is what I want to listen to. Yeah. Just relaxed. Trading is boring, so we have to make it fun. All right, everybody, 2.5 minutes until party time. Let's see if we can navigate these markets well. We got very little room to do this, but we're gonna try our best. Be nice if we get a nice, clean, congruent move in these markets, wouldn't it? If it dies, it dies. Again, those bidders that we were talking about moments ago are still back in this market. We did make a higher low. So if we don't find sellers off the open here, this thing could start to get crazy, and then we start to sweep that liquidity that's all the way up to 400. We could go for it. It would be interesting to see that. And then we go for the previous 4-hour high all the way up there at, what is that? 447. Oh my goodness. So many possibilities in this market. To the upside, 443.5. To the downside, 220s. Oh my goodness, what a range. We should be able to make this happen, right? You got the reference there, Butters. 90 seconds. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Trade well, everybody, today. Trade well. It's probably going to be the last clean day of the week. Actually, Friday NFP. We're holding above 50s, but we're going to be bumping into this same player at 60s again. Yeah, we're clearing above those 60s now. 30 seconds, everybody. 30 seconds. God, this just looks like now these longs are looking like they have a bit more control than I thought. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so the suspicious vehicle that they were investigating was found to be non-suspicious. 5 seconds in now. 5 seconds. Good luck, everybody. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Here we go. Markets are open. Good luck, everybody. Song is super dramatic for trading right now. S&Ps are going lower here. Bit of a bounce there in the S&Ps. And Meta's going lower. Microsoft's going higher. Not a great congruent open here. Kind of gross. Dude, Meta's getting smoked right now. S&P's breaking lower. Whew, these bounces are insane. All right, I'm going to try that short because they're not taking this much higher. I want to see this break below 315. Watching. S&Ps are coming lower too still, which is good. Watching for the break below 315. Jeez. Come on. Bottom tick berry. Sick. Dude. Come on! How did we do it nonstop today? How did we do it nonstop? How did we get faked out on every single trade that we took today? It's bonkers. Literally 320 to 370, 50 handle rejection there. Oh my God. Jesus. It's unreal. It's unreal how sick this has been. And then we close and it goes straight back down. Okay. Trying this again for the break of 315. Dude. Yeah. And wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Stopped out. Sweet. We did it. We hit max loss. Excellent stuff. Amazing. Great, great price action here. Gotta love it. Let's do this. Let's switch over to our practice account. We hit max loss in our live account. Shocker with this price action. I know it's literally barcoding in a 50 handle range. Shocker. This price action is such crap. Like, dude, one time just have the snap there at 320. It's so funny too because the S&Ps is like well below VWAP, and it's like looking like it's a easy sell here. Okay, trying the short again. Stops above there. Oh look, practice account, no problem, right? Watching for a break of 315 now. Just kidding. Dude, how many times is the market? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th rejection in this price action. Dude, this is insane. This is an insane open. This is so crap. Look at this garbage. Dude, what is this? You are joking me. What is this? So we've been a top tick Tommy and a bottom tick Barry today. Isn't that sick? What is this price action? Dude. What is this? What is this? What is this crap? Dude, what is this? Somebody explain this to me because this is not my tempo. All right, we'll go long here. Can we put in another top tick? Look at this. Dude, I would actually love to see this market go straight back down to 320. That'd be funny. That would actually be funny. Let's see. Can the market just continue to barcode here? Yep. Oh, it can do it. This is hilarious. When the market is like this, there you go, straight down. When the market is like this, it kind of like makes me feel like when I play poker, pocket aces are always pocket aces, right? And when I play the market on days like today, it's like kind of like we did Tommy this thing. I want to flatten this out of spite because I don't want to like actually have it go back up. I want to book the loss, book in the loss there. But this is like it feels to me like when we're trading a market like this, it's like I feel like, oh, I have pocket aces, and then like I'm up against pocket deuces. And then they run out the flop and nothing comes. And they're like, oh, by the way, pocket deuces win today. And I go, why? Oh, because f*** you. That's why. The market like this, I will always lose on days like this. There's no question about it. I'll never shy away from that. I'm a momentum trader. I'm a breakout trader. So when the market stays pinned between a zone like this, we're literally cutting between 320 up to 380. That's 60 handles. When the market is pinned in a zone like this is where I die. This is where I get completely owned in the market. And I'm not shy about sharing that. We are down on the day, like I said, $3,100. We hit our max loss of $3,000. Thankfully, we didn't have $5,000 of a max loss today. So, and that was sized down too. We were trading ones and twos today. That's just how my trading style will never fit into this style of market because I'm always looking for a breakdown or a breakout. And when we came down to those 320s there, I'm looking for that flush down to our MC level of 292. So I'm looking for a 30 handle flush. And like the market will Anyway, things, words. Why not wait for the range to break then? That's the thing, is that when you're playing momentum, you have to be the person who's lining up for that momentum to break. If it already breaks, you could be the person who's buying into all of the areas that you'd be pulling out of. So, for instance, let's just say, and this is momentum trading 101. Let's just say that, we're waiting for this range to break. You press your sell market, you try to get into the market as fast as possible. You're getting filled here, and then like we pop down here and then we reject. If I'm short here, I can be the person filling that order right there to get out. So I'm looking for my points here versus being late to the party. Just because it breaks that area doesn't mean that, like, if we break this area, doesn't mean we're going to come down here, And the thing that sucks about this too is like, okay, now we're breaking this area and now it's probably going to do this monster flush. And it waited 5 rejections, 5 separate rejections until we actually got the break that we're looking for. And the thing is that I probably would have moved my stop if we break those 320s and probably scalped a little bit. We probably would have made some profit on that. So. Unfortunate, just bad timing. And that's the market for you. If you don't have good timing in the market, you're going to get smashed in the face. Unfortunately, that's what happened to us today. We got cooked. But good news is, come back, we traded tomorrow. Or actually Friday. We trade on Friday. Who was short from 380s? Because if you got 380s down to 310s, that's 70 handles to the face. Who did that? Anybody? Anybody? I mean, and to think like I would have waited for that rejection to come up all the way up to 380. I mean, I was long in that thing. I'm just, doing like a kind of live analysis here. But this was the flush I'm looking for off the open. This was the flush I was looking for. We obviously didn't have enough liquidity to break down. We needed to refresh the liquidity above 360 there. We ended up doing that. We got this liquidity. I mean, I thought that was enough. What do they call this in Dingusland? They're like, oh, this is the SMT. we got the SMT down here in the ICQ and the MMG and the MTZMGY up here and the ZQPMG right there. Well, we had the SMT here. We needed an additional SMT here. So annoying. So annoying. Why wasn't this enough? Like, why wasn't this enough to satisfy this break that we could have got that? You'll never know. We'll never know. We'll just never know. Yeah, we'll just never know. Is the price action movie because of NFP? No, I mean, it's low liquidity. They keep on giving us vacation weeks where it's like they try to throw, like we had the big, look at Mark is going right back out. This is so stupid. We had the vacation day on Wednesday for the past 2 weeks. This is the third week in a row that we've had a vacation day that isn't on a Monday or a Friday. Do you know how bad that is for the markets? Like, it's so fucking stupid. It is so stupid. I thought this week was going to be like the first full week of trade, and then I'm like, oh yeah, wait, we have Thursday off. So stupid. It sucks because it gives us this price action. We get chopped to bits. So anyway, we're ending our day down $3,100 in our live account. But this is why we use our daily loss limit. This is why when we get cranked out of the market, we just call it a day. That's one thing I love about trading on props is that, like, with something like Top Step X, I don't have to worry about having FOMO right now and getting back into the markets and losing money. It's great. The most I could do is already what I did. Damage to myself, $3,100, which not that big of a deal. Last trade that we did, or last day that we had that was a good day, I think we made $4,100 in profit. So essentially, we even out, right? Good luck to anybody who's trading this. This ain't my cup of tea at all. This is the gross price action that chops me to parts. No, Shane Hacks, no. If we had dissenters, yes, but we didn't. So no, there's no surprises there. There's literally nothing going to happen for that. I would say that you're going to see more muted of a reaction than what we see on any of the other minute releases. Much more muted. So no, absolutely not. We're back to Fed speak. So if there's Fed speakers, they're going to give the market some directionality, like what we saw with Waller today. The moment Waller started speaking, we got great move. So, all right, everybody. Wish you all the best today. We're finishing up down $3,100 as we do we lost today. All right, everybody, take care. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I'll post the schedule. Make sure you subscribe with your notifications bell turned on because you'll get a notification if I do go live tomorrow. That's the easiest way to find out. But good luck if you're going to trade this price action. This is dog shit, in my opinion. This is dookie water. If you have an account to trade, I would probably say let's put it to the wayside for now and let's wait. Let's not do that. So that's what I would say there. All right, everybody, take care. Be good. I'll see you maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, but we'll see you soon.